Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside Teamwork. So, Teamwork is a project management and collaboration software designed to help teams plan, manage, and track their work. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools to facilitate efficient project management and team collaboration for your business. Here are some of the key features and benefits of the team application which you can use. It provides task management effortlessly and easily. It provides the project planning as well, collaboration within the team because it has multiple collaboration tools inside it, and also it helps effectively in reporting and analytics. So we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside Teamwork so that whenever a specific event occurs inside Teamwork, we can capture the response of that event inside Pabbly Connect to transfer that same data to any other application automatically. We are going to set up this connection with the help of Webhook. Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. Alright, so let's suppose I want that whenever a new task will be created in a particular list inside Teamwork, then I want to capture the response of that task with all the details so that I can share the details of these tasks to my team members on Slack. Okay, so here for that we are going to set up connection between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect first of all. Before moving forward towards setting up this connection, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and actions. So basically trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new task will be created inside Teamwork, then I want to share the response with all the details of that task on Slack channel to my team members. So let's suppose I'm going to take Teamwork in my trigger and Slack in my action. When we are going to set up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when a new task will be created inside Teamwork, then only a message will be sent on Slack channel, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating this connection between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect. To create the connection, we have to first of all start our workflow, and to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. Now here our trigger application will be Teamwork. So let's quickly select that. As we have selected the application, now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see we have multiple options over here in our trigger events: new project, new task list, new file, new calendar events, and etc. So on the happening of whichever specific event you want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect, you have to select that event over here. I want that whenever a new task will be created, I want to instantly capture the response. So new task will be my trigger event. As we have done that, here we have received a webhook URL and we have also receive some instructions. We simply have to follow these instructions step by step to set up this connection, and the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect because it is going to transfer the data of every new task from Teamwork towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do for building this connection. First of all, we have to log into our Teamwork account, and I have already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account. After coming over here, we have to go towards the profile section and we have to go towards settings option. After coming on settings, when we'll go towards the more option, here we'll see the option of webhooks. We have to enable this webhook option. I have already done that, and now in the registered event sections we have to add a new webhook. So let's click on this add webhook button, and here we have to first of all select the webhook event. On the happening of which event you want to capture the response with the help of webhook, you have to select that. Because I want that whenever a new task will be created, so I want to capture the response, so my webhook event will be task created over here. Then in the endpoint URL field, we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then here we have the version 2, the content type will be JSON, and we will simply click on add webhook. As we have done that, you can see our webhook is already created over here. So we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here we can already see it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured. How we are going to do that test submission? By performing the same event which we have selected as trigger event. So what we will do, we will go and create a new task inside Teamwork so that the response of that task could be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back towards Teamwork. We'll go towards the home section, and here we have the option of task. So I'm going to click on add task button. We will first of all select the project in which we want to create this task. I have already selected my project. Then we will select our list, in which particular list we want to add this task. Then we will give a name to our task. So let's say I'm going to give a name as Social media calendar. So here I have given a name of the task, that is social media calendar. Let's suppose I am managing a social media team of a software company and I want to assign the task to my teams that they have to prepare a social media calendar for the upcoming week. Okay, then I'm going to select the person to whom I want to assign this task. Then here I'm going to select the start date, that will be 7th of August 2024, and here I'm going to go for the due date as well. So you can create your task with these features by adding start date, due date. You can also give a priority level to your task. You can attach certain files with that and much more. So here I'm going to give, let's say, 10th of August as the due date. Okay, then here I'm going to give the priority, let's suppose high, and I will go back towards the task details to add a description as well for this task. Okay, prepare a social media calendar for all the social media posts for upcoming week. After giving all the details inside a task, I'm going to simply create this task. And as our task is created over here, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that we have already received the response. In this response, here we have received all the details. Here we have the start date of the task. Here we have the name, that means the title of the task, the priority which we have given, the ID of the project in which we have created this task. Here we have the due date of the task, as well as the description, the entire description for the task, and we have received the date at which the task is created as well. Okay, when we'll scroll down here, we have some other details as well. So because we have received this response, that means our connection between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new task will be created inside Teamwork, the response of that task will be automatically captured inside Pabbly Connect. Once we will set up this connection between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect, further we can transfer the data which we have received to any other application as well automatically by adding the action steps in our automation. Okay, for example, if I want to send the message on Slack related to the task details, so I can also add Slack over here in my action step. Also, I can prepare a record of all these tasks and the due dates of the task inside Google Sheets by adding Google Sheets in my action step. So in this way, you can create your automation according to your requirements. For that, first of all, you have to set up the connection between Teamwork and Pabbly Connect, and we have learned how to do that. So these were the simple steps which we have to follow in order to set up Webhook inside Teamwork. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.